here's a couple of things that you might want to know while you're working on your grade book, because I know progress reports are due. One thing is what I've sent you with this email are a few of the codes that you might want to look at. The AB for absent, and that just means that it's not going to count in the grade. It's kind of for you to know and remember you need to go back and put that grade in, make sure they turn it in. There's also an incomplete INC, which means they're absent, but it's going to count as a 0. That means you've asked for it, they never turned it in, and that way you kind of can keep up with the fact that it counts as a 0. Another one that you might want to use more than anything is the EX for exempt. It doesn't count as a grade, but it might be for those SPED students that you have that you don't really want to count the grade for, but they're in your grade book, and that will help you keep up with it. The missing one, it does count it as a 0. It means they just didn't do it. So there's a few of the codes that you may want to have. Something else that I thought of this weekend was if you want to take and totally delete a grade, some people haven't been able to find that. So let's say that you went under, let's just say language arts, and you want to get rid of this assignment right here. To get rid of it, you need to go up here to the tabs. One of them is the plan. You're going to be on score automatically, but if you go to the plan tab, it looks like there's no activities. And that's what I've noticed some people have had some problems with. If you'll go to the down tab by where it says date, that needs to be on grading period. And when it is, you can see the assignments. Now, you can't get rid of it if there are any grades in there, so you're going to have to get rid of the grades first. So if you go back to the score, you've got to get rid of these grades first. Once you do that, then when you go to the plan tab and make sure it says grading period right here, you can click these and it will allow you to delete if there are no grades in there. So that's something that I wanted to make sure that you knew of. Also, let's go back to one of your subjects. If you want this letter grade, I know we didn't really use that feature when we were having our in-services, but if you want that, if you'll go over here under the Manage tab and go back to Options, you can display the letter grade, this one right here. We didn't really check mark that one. You don't have to have it, but if that's something you want to see, you can check mark that and click OK. And you can have your letter grades right beside the column of average. So those are a couple of things. If there's anything else that you can think of, just let me know, and I can go ahead and do another video and show you those details.